Good day everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how to add a touchscreen button for our touchscreen controls. If you have watched my tutorials before, you see that we have made this character to be able to move using the script, the visual scripting code. And if you look at here, there's a long scripting that we had to actually create. So if you have actually not watched this, you can go to my channel and see the tutorial of how this was set up to actually make the character move using the visual scripting code in here. So in this particular one, we are trying to add a touchscreen button. So I'm going to quickly go in there. Now I already have a touchscreen here added here already, so but I will just go ahead to create a new one. So I'm going to click on that and click on others and use control, and in my control I'm going to just click that. So my control will be able to hold all the things I'm going to be using for my controls. That's for controlling the character, that's for the touchscreen display. So I'm just going to go to my scenes. I'm going to call this touchscreen. Alright, so I'm going to save that. So immediately I do that, I will right click and add another one. I'm going to add a touch screen. There's a touch screen button here, so I'm going to add that. And I'm quickly going to call this up. I'm going to duplicate that, Control D, down. So if you actually go to the 2D thing here, you will see that there is nothing here. So to make this easy for me, I'm going to just delete this. I want to show you something that could make you work faster. So I'm going to have this. So it has some controls here, the normal, what it looks like when it's normal, when it's pressed, and we have different things that we putting up here. So, but what I actually want to use is what will make this to be working. So I'm just going to go to my normal. So this is up. I'm going to drag this to here. So if you look at this, it's quite huge. So I'm going to just drop it down. If you hold shift, you make it to be in equilibrium. That's the, sorry. So that's the height and width will be equal as you're scaling it down. So I'm just going to bring it down. So now quickly, something you're going to turn on when you want to test this inside your script, inside your inside Godot, instead of using a real touchscreen or mobile phone. I'm just going to go to projects, go to project settings, and here I'm going to go to thing that should be pointing device, and you're going to say emulate touch, emulate mouse from touch, and emulate touch from mouse. So you can say emulate touch. This will actually emulate the touch from the mouse, so you can use the mouse to actually make it work. Or emulate the mouse from the touch. You can actually turn this to, it doesn't remember, but this is the one you actually, the first one here. So when you click on that, you can close this. So I'm going to quickly make this to be able to work. So the action here right now, if you actually go to your script, you see that we'll have, let me go to my character script. Here we'll have the first control is UI underscore UP. So I'm just going to get this particular thing here. So let me just go quickly to this one. So I'm going to just type UI underscore UP. Very important. So I'm just quickly going to try it out and see what it's going to look like. So when I do that, I'm going to come back to this 2D screen here, and I'm going to right click on it and say add child scene, and I'm going to go from the touch screen and enter. So if you look at here now, I think I have it somewhere down here. Okay, that's control 2 here. It's given as control 2. Let me call this my touch screen. Should name that. So So come back here and I'm going to delete that. I'm going to delete that quickly. And I'm going to go back again, right click on the main node and say insert shape that touch screen. So it still has that. Okay, so wondering why it didn't change. Maybe there's some bug or something. The name should actually change here. So I'm going to come up here and go into my 2D. So in my 2D, you actually see that I have in this stage 2 scene here that I have here, I have this coming up here. So I can just drop it here. So I can quickly right click and play and see what it will look like. So coming up here, our gain is up. So we can be able to click on that and we have this moving. So I think my mouse is actually doing something very fun because I programmed it to actually move when I click on that. So I'm clicking on this and it's actually turning around. I'll quickly disconnect the mouse. Let me just leave it for the meantime because in the other tutorial I did, I made the mouse to be able to move when I click on the left button. So I'm just going to leave that. So I want you to observe that you can actually use this with this size. So I'm going to now go ahead here and duplicate this. So when I duplicate this, I can call it down and just drag it down here. Now it depends on how you want to organize your work. So I just want to have my own very simple here. So you can actually design very nice buttons too. And then let's just drop it down here. So for this one, just going to put it down. So down will be down. And just make sure I'm in the right place. So this should be down. Yep. And right and left. Okay, so the correct. So we'll just quickly go to that. So this is down here. Down already. And here should be right. And here should be left. So I'll quickly change the controls. So I have my down button. So you can actually design this anywhere you want to design. So you could actually use, I use, I think, Illustrator. You can use Inkscape or any other software you want to use for your designs. So you also have the right button. So let me go to the right button there and go to the right button and put it there. Go to the left button and drop it down there. So we'll have our controls here. So you could actually create more advanced controls by putting when the button is pressed, what should look like, and some other controls here. But this is basically how you can get your buttons on. So I'll just quickly put this down here. So it's on the edge here, and I don't want to be blocking anything. So quickly I will save that, go to my stage 2 to test it out. When I play this, we're gonna see how it's gonna run. So when it runs, so you can be able to actually see it. You can go forward, backwards, right, sorry, left or right. Okay. So right now I'm not using the mouse to be able to control this, and I have my conditions and everything. This is basically how you can touch. You can create a touch screen button for your Android devices. So any touch screen device you want to implement your game, implement your game. So once you can be able to do this, you can quickly put other controls, different things. I already have my GUI here. Treasure. I've not um, made it functional yet, but I'll do that in subsequent tutorials. So I think this is the end of our tutorial for today, and thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe for my videos. If you have special questions, you can also relate that so that I can be able to make contents surrounding that. Thank you.